Hey, yo, what's up everybody? This is Yui and we're back with another video. Today we're starting the grind from scratch. As you can see, we have $500 now and our trading amount is 50. We just withdrawn all the money and I want to show you guys how it looks. So we go to history and then we press withdrawals, and as you can see, we've withdrawn $31,000. Very simple, very accessible to everyone. And if you want to start making these amounts in 2-3 weeks, every consecutive 3 weeks, make sure to join our private trading group. You can find the link in the description below, so head down there. But now let's get into our strategy, and this is one of my favorite strategies I use to build up my initial balance. You're gonna need moving averages, actually two of those. The first one is going to be 50. We change the type to EMA. We go to styles, we change the color to something, I don't know, any, like we pick this one, and we change the thickness to 2, and then the other one is going to be 200 EMA. This is going to be our trend indicator. We change the color to white and pixels to 3. This strategy really revolves around trading in the direction of the trade, but we're also going to be looking for the collision of the 50 EMA line with the candle body. So as you can see here, this 50 EMA line has crossed the 200 EMA from above. So, and then here we collide with the first candle, as you can see, the green candle, and then we need to wait for the red candle to push below the 50 EMA, and after it has happened, we are taking a 1 minute short position. So if the price action and the cross happened from above and the price action is below the 200 EMA, as you can see, we are only gonna take short trades in this situation. So now let's actually proceed and try to find some entry points, and let's see what we can do with it. Let's go. And actually, before we get into our trades, I wanted to show you something. So let's go ahead and pick a trend line here. We're gonna adjust it so it touches every time the price has reached a new high. So we're gonna do it like this, and then we are going to add another trend line, and we're going to place it below every time the price has updated a low. So we're gonna adjust this a little bit. Actually, no, we're gonna put it back, and now we're gonna adjust this one so it touches the lows of the price. And here we have it. So if you look, it has sort of a range in which the price moves, and every time it tests the support line, it bounces back and updates a new high. So what we're gonna be waiting for with this strategy basically is, if you can see, it goes along with the 50 EMA. So what we're waiting for is to price to touch the 50 EMA, which is our support line, and then reverse and update a new high, and that's when we're gonna enter the trade when it touches the support line. So we're gonna be looking for that, and this strategy is pretty much what it's all about. We need a touch on the candle body, and then we need a price to break above or below the 50 EMA, and then we take a position according to that. So now let's go ahead and actually see some trades. And here we have an entry point. As you can see, the 50 EMA has touched the body of the red candle, as you can see here, and now the price is closing above the 50 EMA. So we are taking a 1 minute long position once this candle closes. So now it's gonna close. We're gonna wait a few seconds to see. Actually, we should really enter now and not wait more. So I'm going to enter right now. I could have done it better. You can just enter immediately once all of the 3 conditions are met, and those are: first, the 50 EMA needs to cross the 200 EMA either from above or below. After that, we're waiting for the first collision of the 50 EMA with the candle. After that, we are waiting for the price to break above or below the 50 EMA line, depending from where the cross was and where the price is. And after that, after that happened, we are taking a 1 minute long or short position depending on which trade we are taking and where the price is. If the price is above 200 EMA, then we're taking only long position. If the price is below 200 EMA, we're only taking short positions. And here you can see, oh, that was close. Well, let's hope the price actually, and yes, it goes up and we secure ourselves our first $165. Very simple, a little bit sketchy, but that's because I entered the trade 6 seconds too late. I should have entered immediately, but I wanted to see where the price will go. But now let's continue looking for more entries and see what we can do with it. Let's go. And here I actually missed the opportunity to enter, but I still maybe can enter for 30 seconds. So I'm going to do that because the price hasn't pushed up too much. As you can see, we had 2 touches. The first one was previously on a bar, and after that, three candles later, we had a breakout and the candle actually closed above the 50 MA, and we're taking a 1 minute in this situation. But since we were late, we took only 30 seconds, and as you can see, the price is going up. And actually that's a very important thing with this strategy. When the collision has happened of the 50 MA and the body of the candle, you need the price to close above or below 50 MA in 2-3 bars, not more than that. If 2 or 3 candles later the price hasn't closed above or below the 50 MA, look for another entry possibility. Don't keep on entering even if it closes on 4th one. Make sure the sooner it happens, the better it is, so make sure to pay attention to that. And now, before we proceed with our strategy, guys, I want to remind you to join the Free Signals group. You can find the link to this group in the description below. A lot of useful information in this group, different strategies, market stages. We're looking at what is fundamental analysis, what is technical analysis, the differences between them, etc. All of this information is here for you to digest, to get, and we have some giveaways in here. But of course, all the juice, all the best stuff isn't in private trading group, and this should be absolutely your goal to join this group. As you can see, there's 2 slots left with the special offer, so you should grab that if you can. We are going to move on to technical analysis because we have done so many strategies, and now we are actually looking into expanding and working on technical analysis. We already started doing our course for you guys that is going to be posted in this group, so make sure to just send Neos a message and he'll invite you to this group. This really should be your priority number 1, is to get into this group, because that's where all the best stuff is going to be. We're going to be having more giveaways in here. We're going to have more strategies for you here, technical analysis. If you really want to up your game as a trader and become financially independent, this group is a must-have for you, and you have to do everything to try to get into it, because later it's going to be harder. So now is a perfect opportunity to try and get yourself a spot in this one. We already started to working and on the course. As I said, we're gonna take all the hard stuff that there is regarding technical analysis that blows people's brains out when they read it and makes it not want to trade, and we're gonna make it as simple as possible and very accessible to everyone, so you guys can start making money yourself and trading every day and making every day profitable and turning your $500 into $10,000 and $20,000. So make sure to join this group. You can find the link in the description below. Send Neos a message and he'll tell you how to get into this group. Of course, we have some spots left in here, but hurry up. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The clock is ticking, and of course don't miss out on our giveaways happening every day as well in this group. And all you need to do is watch a video from start to finish, leave a comment and leave a like. So guys, stay tuned for more news, for updates to the robot, all of that. The new course, the technical analysis course, all of that is going to be available soon. And as you can see, the robot is absolutely killing it as well. We had 1, 2 losses and then 1 win, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we had 12 wins and 3 losses in 2 hours. That is 85% success rate, and believe me, you can be profitable with 60%, but 85% it means you are straight up making clean money. So make sure to check the robot out as well. And now let's get back into our strategy and find another entry point. Let's go. And here we have another possible entry. If you look at the chart, you can see that the 50 EMA has crossed the 200 EMA from above and has just collided with the body of the candle, and the candle is about to close. Boom, just like that. Next step for us is we wait for the red candle. Since we are only taking short position in this situation, we are waiting for the red candle to close below the 50 EMA. And after that, when it does close, we're immediately taking a 1 minute short position. This strategy has a super high success rate, and that's why I'm using this strategy specifically to trade when I'm low on balance and when I'm building my balance. If you really want to go from $100 to 10,000 and 15,000, patience is gonna be your key to everything. You don't want to enter the trades preemptively. You don't want to revenge trade, as I say. Stick to the strategy, make sure you meet all the requirements, and then and only then enter a trade. As you can see right here, it seems like it's not gonna push below, but we have 3 bars for that, we have 3 candles for that, so we still have time for the price to close below the 50 EMA, and that's exactly what we're going to wait for. And that's why I'm not looking at any other charts, because I have my possible entry here and I want to make sure that I'm not gonna miss out on it. So my advice when you're trading, if you see a possible entry, stick out, see if you meet all the requirements, and then enter the trade if it happened. If not, continue looking for more possibilities, but focus on one entry at a time at first. And as you can see here, the price is actually pushing down and we are already below the 50 EMA. So now all that has to happen is the price has to close here and we have to wait for it. So we have 10 seconds left and hopefully this is going to be an entry. We have $400 on the line and 1 minute expiration time, and it seems like it is going to close here, and immediately we enter a 1 minute trade. And this should be it. This is a perfect textbook entry. Don't look that the price went above the 200 EMA. All we need is a cross of the 50 EMA to 200 EMA, and then we need a collision with the candle, the first candle after the cross, of course, not the wick. You need the body of the candle to be collided with the 50 EMA, and after that you need the price to close below the 50 EMA, and after that you take a 1 minute short trade. It is not looking great, and now it is looking great. Okay, I take that back. There it is, 20 seconds left, and it seems like we're going to secure this one, and that's gonna put us at $700. And as I say, baby steps, don't rush anywhere. Build up your balance break by break. Could I just bet $1,000 immediately and go in? Yes, but I'm not going to do that because I want to give you a good example. And as you can see, there it is. We successfully closed the option. We have 3 out of 3 with this strategy. Very simple, guys. Rewatch this video and make sure to subscribe to our channel if you like more videos like this. And as I keep saying, we have some big things coming up on this channel. We're gonna dive into the technical analysis. We're gonna look at each candle separately and actually dissect it, look inside of it, see different patterns, and then take trades. This is what technical analysis is all about, and we want you guys to understand it and utilize it for yourself in your day-to-day trading. So stay tuned for that. Of course, I hope you enjoyed the strategy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.